What if the engine under your car's hood could last not just years, but decades, withstanding extreme wear and tear? These 10 engines weren't just built to last. They've been pushed to their limits in ways you'd never expect, proving themselves in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. Which engine turned a daily driver into an unstoppable workhorse? Number 1, the Toyota 2JZ-GTE. The Toyota 2JZ-GTE, first introduced in the MKIV Supra, quickly became a legend in automotive circles. Its reputation didn't just come from the Supra's fame, it was the engine's ability to handle power that set it apart. Designed with a cast iron block and forged internals, the 2JZ GTE could endure extreme modifications, often reaching over 1,000 horsepower with reliability intact. This durability made it a natural fit for drag racing and drift competitions, where engines are pushed to their absolute limits. Racers found that this engine didn't just survive high boost levels, it thrived under them. The twin-turbo design, combined with expert engineering, created a platform capable of dominating on and off the track. So, could America match this versatility? Number 2, Chevrolet LS Series V8. The Chevrolet LS Series V8 is a cornerstone of American engineering, widely recognized for its role in engine swaps and custom projects. Originally built for production cars, it surpassed expectations by becoming a universal favorite among builders worldwide. The paradox is striking. An engine designed for accessibility and affordability transformed into a legend of adaptability. Its secret lies in the compact design, hyper-eutectic pistons for durability, and aluminum heads that keep weight down while enhancing performance. Whether packed into muscle cars or retrofitted into off-road beasts, the LS thrives under conditions that would challenge other engines. Its ability to handle substantial modifications without compromising reliability cemented its reputation. Could smaller, high-revving engines ever achieve the same level of universal appeal? Number 3, Honda K-Series. The Honda K-Series is a high-revving marvel, praised equally by tuners and everyday drivers. Initially built for economy cars, it soon proved itself as a reliable powerhouse, whether on the street or the track. Its versatility quickly pushed it beyond its intended role, earning a cult following for its unmatched balance of performance and dependability. This engine wasn't limited to just cars. It's been fitted into turbocharged builds and endurance race vehicles, even finding its way into experimental aircraft. With a dual overhead cam design and VTEC technology, the K-Series thrives under power boosts without sacrificing longevity. It redefined the potential of compact 4 cylinders, leaving many wondering if large displacement engines could strike a similar balance of durability and innovation. Number 4, Toyota 3GRFE/2 GRFE. The Toyota 3GRFE and 2GRFE V6 engines might not grab headlines, but they've quietly earned a reputation for unmatched reliability. Built to power family cars like the Toyota Camry, these engines unexpectedly found their way into luxury Lexus sedans and even endurance racing applications, proving their adaptability. What sets them apart? Dual VVTi technology ensures efficient performance, while low-friction internals reduce wear over time. Variable oil pumps help maintain consistent lubrication, contributing to their remarkable longevity. These engines became trusted, not just for daily commutes, but also for hybrids and custom-built racers. Number 5, Ford Modular 4.6-liter V8. The Ford Modular 4.6-liter V8 may not steal the spotlight, but its versatility cemented its place as one of America's most dependable engines. From powering police vehicles like the Ford Crown Victoria to delivering performance in the Mustang GT, this engine could adapt to a wide array of roles, even serving in armored vehicles. At its core was an aluminum block paired with an overhead cam design, a setup that balanced strength with efficiency. It wasn't the most powerful engine, but its reliability and resilience made it a backbone of Ford's lineup for decades. Whether idling on patrol or enduring the rigors of high-speed pursuits, it thrived. Number 6, Nissan VR38D ETT. The Nissan VR38D ETT powers the GTR, delivering supercar-level performance without sacrificing everyday reliability. It's rare for an engine to balance this kind of raw capability with practicality, but the VR38D ETT achieves it, thriving under extreme performance demands while easily handling daily commutes. This twin-turbocharged powerhouse has become a favorite in endurance racing, where reliability is as critical as raw speed. Its durability stems from features like plasma-sprayed cylinder walls that minimize wear and its high-strength internals, designed to withstand incredible stress. Beyond the track, the VR38D ETT fuels aftermarket projects, pushing well past its stock power limits. Number 7. Cummins 6.7-liter diesel. The Cummins 6.7-liter diesel stands as the backbone of heavy-duty reliability, powering everything from commercial trucks to industrial equipment. Its reputation as the gold standard for long-haul applications stems from its ability to deliver consistent performance under intense workloads. Whether hauling massive payloads or operating in extreme conditions, this engine simply doesn't quit. Its cast iron block provides unmatched durability, while its high torque output makes it invaluable for heavy-duty tasks. Maintenance is kept minimal thanks to design features aimed at longevity, like efficient fuel injection systems and reinforced internals. Beyond trucks, it's found in generators and even marine equipment, proving its versatility. Number 8. Mercedes OM617 Diesel. The Mercedes OM617 diesel engine is the cornerstone of the brand's reputation for reliability. This 5-cylinder powerhouse gained legendary status, particularly in the 1970s and 80s, by powering everything from taxis to generators. Its longevity in extreme environments proved it wasn't just reliable, it was nearly indestructible. Made with a cast iron block and a chain-driven camshaft, the OM617 was designed to last. Millions of these engines surpassed the 600,000-mile mark with nothing more than routine maintenance, a feat few others could match. Its simplicity, combined with overbuilt components, made it ideal for harsh conditions, whether in deserts or urban landscapes. The OM617 isn't just an engine, it's a global symbol of durability. But how do American inline engines compare? Number 9. AMC 4.0-liter Inline 6. The AMC 4.0-liter Inline 6 played a defining role in Jeep's rugged reputation, powering models like the Cherokee, Wrangler, and Wagoneer through decades of tough terrains. Introduced in 1986 and developed in just 26 months, it became a workhorse, trusted by millions for its ability to endure abuse. Over 5 million units later, its legacy is undeniable. Built with a cam and block design and simple overhead valve train, its straightforward engineering prioritized durability. Robust internals added resilience, allowing it to handle overheating, oil starvation, and conditions that would destroy most engines. Popular mechanics famously described it as reliable as a block of wood. This engine turned Jeeps into enduring machines. But can any V6 engine achieve similar legendary toughness? Number 10. Buick 3800 V6. The Buick 3800 V6 earned its status as a quiet champion, powering millions of vehicles across decades. While it wasn't flashy, its reputation for bulletproof reliability and ease of maintenance made it a favorite among practical vehicle owners. From family sedans like the Buick Regal to sportier models like the Pontiac Firebird, this engine proved its versatility across GM's lineup. Its Series 2 iteration was particularly notable, incorporating a modified deck height, enhanced pistons and crankshaft, and an improved intake manifold. These upgrades bolstered its already robust construction, described as strong as an ox. With its indestructible internals and straightforward upkeep, the 3800 V6 solidified its place as possibly the most reliable engine of all time, quietly redefining dependability across generations of vehicles. These engines all share one defining quality. They transcended their roles as mere components and became symbols of longevity and innovation. Whether it's the Toyota 2JZ dominating motorsports or the Buick 3800 quietly powering millions of daily commutes, they proved that reliability isn't just about endurance. It's about delivering value over time. The engineering behind these legends didn't just shape cars, it influenced industries and redefined expectations. So, what lies ahead? Will future engines match the adaptability and resilience of these icons? Let us know your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories behind the machines that shape the road.